If you've been wondering how to go to CPanel in Hostinger, this video is for you. The first thing you should know is that in Hostinger, CPanel is actually called hPanel, so if you're looking for a separate CPanel button, you may not see it the way you expect. Hostinger uses its own custom dashboard, and that's where you'll manage your websites, domains, billing, and other account settings. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Now let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, click the login option and sign in using your Hostinger account credentials. Make sure you use the same email and password that are linked to your hosting plan. After you log in successfully, you'll be taken directly to hPanel. This is the main dashboard for your Hostinger account, and this is where you can access everything you need. From hPanel, you can manage your websites, check your domains, review your billing information, and handle different hosting settings. If you were searching specifically for CPanel, this is the place you want to be because Hostinger replaces traditional CPanel with its own interface. You can use the menu and dashboard tools to find your website files, databases, performance options, and account tools. If you ever need to return, just log into Hostinger again and you'll land back on hPanel. So the process is simple. Go to Hostinger, sign in, and you're in hPanel, which is Hostinger's version of the control panel. That's it. You now know how to go to CPanel in Hostinger, or more accurately, how to access hPanel. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.